How old are they now?
8 days.
8 days old. Look at him, how big he is. And he's getting where his eyes are open, and he's spreading his wings out, and he wants something to eat.
Looks like it.
Mm-hmm.
Nom, 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 nom.
And his brother's over there asleep.
He's not asleep. See, his eyes are
Oh,
open.
his eyes open, isn't it? Oh, he's getting a lot more feathers on him, isn't he?
Oh, yeah.
Sweet. Okay. Get the other one.
Come on, boy. Look at that. Be still, be still. He's moving a lot more, huh?
Sure is.
You're still on your brothers.
Be easy.
Come on, come on. Oh, now they're both opening up, huh? Oh, look at him, look at him.
That's pretty cool. Okay, put him back.
I'm trying to get him off. He's hanging on.
Okay. So, see you tomorrow.